Good, how are you, mate?
Very good. You're being filmed.
Oh, I'm being filmed.
Yeah. So it's very dark. We're at the lighthouse about to get going. This is just black. Let's go. I guess we'll go back out this way. We're about 15 k's in, Betty. It's been soft sand the last couple of k's. It's been really tough, sinking in well above the ankle. Benny's having a rough time of it. That's him way back there. Still powering though. Look at that day. It's cloudy from all the smoke.
A bit of M&M, a bit of Arm's Way, which is some heavy stuff. Fuck. This is psycho.
Film you, filming me, filming. We're documenting it. It's definitely been documented.
It's been vlogged.
Yeah.
We're vloggers.
That's it. It's real.
It's actually real.
We're done. Here we go.
I didn't think I was going to do it today, but I did it.
What just happened?
I did a marathon, I think. Unless I'm still asleep.
No, you
Is this a dream? Is this real?
I got a text message at 4 o'clock saying you might do 15 k's. At 15 k's you were like, oh, I might do 30.
30.
At 30 you were like, I'll just run to the lighthouse. Lighthouse was what, 36, 37?
37, yep.
And then fucking missed a marathon.
42.